Fortunately or unfortunately, it is that time of year again where you have to start preparing for school. While elementary school to high school tends to have prepared school supply lists, college is a whole other ballgame. So this video is geared towards college students, and it doesn't have to be your first year either. As long as you're interested in other products that might enhance your college life, this video is for you. My vendor of choice here is Amazon, since you can get the same stuff wherever you choose to go to college. And I do recommend that you try out Amazon Prime. I did a whole video on reasons and benefits to get it because I personally benefited during my college years, especially if you've never tried Amazon Prime Student before. They actually have a 6-month free trial, which is an insane amount of time for just a free trial. As usual, I'll put the link in the description so you can check it out for yourselves. Now let's just go ahead and dive right into my list. This is a list of items I personally benefited from my college years, and also put in a couple items that are on sale because of this time of year that Amazon likes to put in deals for back to school products. As usual, I'll put the link in the description so you can browse at your own leisure. So to just give you an idea of what my thought process is when I generated this list, I wanted to pick items that I personally had reviewed or have received a lot of high praise for, and that would be really practical for anybody, and it was not gender specific or anything like that. So for example, I have the typical college items like calculators, and fans, and also power strips, stuff that you would normally find on a back to school list, but then my personal pick on it because I think these are outstanding products for those categories. And then of course water bottle, lamps, food containers. I definitely do recommend that you start packing your own lunch if you do choose to live off campus like I did. And then if you were a biker like I did, I have a little bike helmet here that also has a rear light, so that's really handy. I always like to pick things that have more than one functionality. And of course I do have some popular items here like headphones. You always need to have a good pair of headphones when you're studying or just hanging out in college. I have typical Apple AirPods on here as well. Bose QC35 Series 2, which are an outstanding noise cancelling headphones that I really benefit from. You have no idea that you need noise cancelling headphones until you get one. Well worth it. This is probably the most expensive thing on my list, but you can see by the pricing I have a very wide range of products from $5 up to a couple $100. So it's just definitely something for everyone on this list, whether you're buying it for yourself or you're buying it for somebody you know is going to college or university. And of course, if you want a truly wireless pair of earphones but you can't afford that $160 price tag, I have recently reviewed this pair of truly wireless earphones that are pretty much comparable, if not better in some ways, than the Apple AirPods, so you can check it out. Of course, this is college here, you can't just study all the time, so I have a couple of fun party items here as well, and some things that I want to point out that you probably won't find on any typical college list is things like this mini collapsible fan. It's a really nice handheld portable fan. You never know when classrooms get really hot. It's just something really small and compact you can take along with you. You have a white noise machine. Generally, I don't like to wear earplugs when I go to bed, even though I do sometimes have trouble sleeping. But having a white noise machine really eliminates the issue of if you forget, if you're going to miss hearing your alarm in the morning. So that's certainly a nice way to help you fall asleep, especially if you have roommates. And then here's a massage stick. It's a really tiny little wand that you can use to help loosen up some of those tense muscles in some stressful times. So yeah, just look through this list at your own time and leisure. As usual, put the link in the description so you can check it out for yourselves. I may continually add to this list, but this is a pretty nice complete list, if I do say so myself, that really covers a lot of the practical basis as well as the entertainment side of things of college. If you have any suggestions, as usual, help benefit the community by leaving it in the comment section down below. Once again, I do recommend picking up Amazon Prime. I'll have all the links and information in the description so you can take a look at it for yourself. And for more college related tips and tricks, make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel.